Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a picture of a family with 2 children and a baby. I'm drawing the mother. Look, the mother is watching the drawing. And I'm drawing the baby. The mother is holding her baby. It's a baby boy. The baby is watching the drawing too. Her legs and feet. Now I'm drawing the boy. This boy's name is Lucas. Let's draw his body. Lucas loves to draw toy cars. And let's draw his legs and feet. And I'm drawing the girl. This girl's name is Luna. Luna loves dancing. Let's draw her body. There is a heart on her dress. And let's draw her legs and feet. Now I'm drawing the father. The mother and father love their children so much. Let's draw the father's body. He is wearing a tie. Let's draw his legs and feet. Finally, I'm drawing a heart here. Brown. This is a lovely family picture. Cream. Red. Pink. Light blue. Yellow. cream, purple, dark brown, cream, pink, green, orange, blue, orange, cream, light brown, red, yellow, pink, cream, red, dark brown, cream, light blue, red, orange, dark blue, black, red. Look at this beautiful happy family. Great job, little artists. See you from next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.